Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect the Wi-Fi network with your Onyx Boox Note 5. To do this, we'll need to scroll down the notification bar, head on to the Wi-Fi. You can hold your finger onto that button, make sure that it's enabled, and wait till all of the networks are available here. And next thing is to pick which network you'll be connecting to. You have 5G version as well as the 2.4 band. I'm going for 5G, so click on the network and enter your password. Then you can click on connect, wait a few seconds. Let's try that again. I think I put the wrong password. And now when you see connected right under the network, that means you've successfully connected your device with internet. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.